press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my videos.
Hey guys, welcome back on Indian Makeup. So earlier, like 3-4 years earlier, I had seen people shaving their face. I had seen girls shaving their face and I was like, whoa girl, how can you shave your face? Like, I was only about threading and waxing, but I had seen makeup bloggers when I was not on YouTube. I had seen makeup bloggers or beauty bloggers just using a razor on their face to shave their face, and I was like, how can you shave your face, girl? But then I got this thing and I got into use this thing, and believe me, it has changed my experience with makeup, my skincare, my skin. So yeah, if you want to know what it is and how it works, so yeah, keep on watching. Yeah, so this is the product right here. So you get a razor over here, a blade over here, and you can also like fold it and keep it in your handbag, so this is really handy. But yeah, this is the thing, and it comes in a 5-in-1 thing. So you get 3 blades over here, 3 extra blades over here, and 1 with the handle over here. So it is 4-in-1 and it is called eyebrow razor. So it is written, and it is some Chinese brand, I have no idea, and it was for 100 rupees. So yeah, this is really cheap and affordable. So I use it before my makeup because it makes my makeup sit so beautifully on my skin, and whenever I just shave my face, it feels so smooth, so beautiful, and the application is so nice. And yes, I generally shave my sideburns and my upper lip, my lower lip, and around here and between my brows. And yeah, I also go like over here if I'm having small hairs, small eyebrow going on over here. So yeah, I use it over here also. Now let me show you how to use it. So if you are a beginner, just you have to go like little slow, and I would be showing you how to use this. So I would be showing you how to just remove your sideburns. So go like this, you have to stretch your skin like this a little bit, and then you have to keep your razor over here and go with very small strokes, and you could hear the sound, I can't express what sound, but you can of course hear the sound because it also exfoliates your skin, remember, and it would make your skin soft like this. So yeah, very quickly I will be showing you. And if you are a beginner, I would recommend you keeping a mirror in front of you, and you can have a closer look wherever you are shaving or using your razor, so it would be more comfy. So you see, it's looking more clean, and this side I can feel my facial hair, and this is much more smoother. I can't feel my facial hair and it is more smooth. So yeah, I would be quickly going on to this side. So never keep your razor like this, just keep your razor like this on a slant position, and then you would get a better hold, and go very softly. So I usually use my razor like thrice a week, because it removes every facial hair from my face, my sideburns, my forehead area facial hair, my lower lip, my upper lip. So yeah, this is really handy, and I can see my facial hair right on the blade. Yeah, a very little bit though. So yeah, I use this and it exfoliates my skin, and yeah, it makes my skin look smoother. It makes my makeup application a lot more smoother, and my makeup looks more flawless. So yeah, this is a very cheaper and affordable alternative for waxing, because in waxing they pull your skin, so you can get loose skin and wrinkles really soon. So yeah, this is a more nice alternative for, you know, waxing or threading. Also threading, like they pull one single hair and it's so painful, guys. So yeah, this is a nice alternative for facial waxing or threading. So yeah, this was all for this video, and yeah, I hope it was helpful for you. So I would see if I could find a link of these eyebrow razors. These are called eyebrow razors, and if I could find a link online, I would surely drop it in the bottom bar. But I would strongly recommend you go in your local market, and you can get it there in a very cheaper price. Like I got it for ₹100, and there are 4 razor blades in it, and it was for just ₹100. So it's really cheap, and online you get it for ₹300, 400. So it is a very, like, no, I would never buy it from online, because why would I spend like 400 rupees when I can get it like in 100 rupees? So yeah, you can go in your local market and you can check out, and you can ask for eyebrow razors, and they look like this, and yeah, you would be all sorted. So yeah, I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.